The National Pingtung University of Science and Technology was founded based on and for the agricultural technologies. With pioneered agricultural technologies, Taiwan leads the world. The College of Agriculture, based on knowledge in tropical agriculture, accompanies the promotion of sophisticated agriculture. Its mission-oriented philosophy, good use of resources, good grip of the global layout lead to the development of agriculture in Taiwan, elevating our international academic status and opens new ambits for the agriculture.
The College of Agriculture has knowledge-based agriculture as the core and tropical agriculture as the feature and the theme of development. Our knowledge-based agriculture focuses on information, biotechnology, design, and integration. Teaching and research are customer demand-oriented, in line with the government to promote quality agriculture and use global resources to promote agricultural development in Taiwan, to elevate our level in academic achievements, explore new agribusinesses, and accomplish spiritualization, professionalism, and internationalization education goals of NPUST. The College of Agriculture consists of 9 departments and 1 graduate institute, covering fields of agriculture, forestry, fisheries, animal husbandry, food, and biotechnology. They are the Department of Plant Industry, Forestry, Wood Science and Design, Plant Medicine, Aquaculture, Animal Science, Food Science, Biological Science and Technology, and the Graduate Institute of Bioresources. To promote learning by doing, the college has several teaching farms for students, including Tropical Fruit Orchard, Chinese Herbal Medicine Garden, Sustainable Agriculture Research Farm, Horticultural Field, Botanical Garden, Animal Farm, Cultivation Farm, Wood Processing Plant, and Food Processing Plant. Students are trained to apply what they are taught in the way that meets the demands of industry. The college also integrates several academic fields to establish interdisciplinary programs, including 11 agricultural programs, 6 industrial management programs, and 6 quality management programs. Our college has formed strategic alliances with neighboring Pingtung Agricultural Biotechnology Park and several district agricultural research and extension stations. The college also cooperates with local governments in southern Taiwan for us to become an important base for research, to link education and industry needs, to assist innovation and development in Taiwan, and to exert regional and international influence.
The College of Agriculture organized the teaching, resources, and courses into an integrated teaching and research system. There are 11 study programs, 6 industrial management programs, and 6 quality management programs established in the college. The college collaborates with different experimental farms, nearby biotechnology parks, and local governments in the south of Taiwan to become part of an important base in the research, teaching, and production in the area of tropical agriculture, helping the innovation and development of agriculture in Taiwan, becoming influential both locally and internationally. The purposes of the establishment of the department are the heritage, education, research, development, and extension of the technologies related to plant production. We aim to educate professionals with international vision in research and practice, according to the needs of the country, of the industry. By developing agricultural technology, we wish to improve the wellness. Other objectives of the departments are to collaborate with the development of tropical agriculture with the projects of the government to respond to the needs of the society and the international situation, to educate leading professionals specialized in the sustainable management of crop and horticulture produce with the practice and basic theories of modern science. This was the first department established in the school. The education system is complete, including undergraduate program, master program, and PhD program, combining both crop and horticultural production. Welcome to the Department of Plant Production. Welcome to join us. The Department of Forestry was established in year 1955. It is an old institution. There are currently undergraduate program and master program. The titles given are Bachelor in Agricultural Science and Master in Agricultural Science, respectively. Environmental issues are increasingly taking importance. The 21st century is the century of green industry. Nearly 60% of the surface in Taiwan is forest, with very rich natural ecosystems. The management and the sustainable management of the forest is a very important task in the development of the country. The department trains the students with humane education, opening their international side, independent and original thinking, and communication ability. In their professional education, the department collaborates with the administrative policy of the multiple uses of national forest resources. The students receive training on afforestation, management of forest resources, protection of forest ecology, and ecotourism. The department has all kinds of research space and equipment. There are 25 hectares of nursery farm and botanical garden, and 844 hectares of forest experimental stations, Baoli and Dazhen. The course planning emphasizes the interests of the students. There are 10 exclusive professors, each with professional knowledge and technical ability. The department has an herbarium, 8 research laboratories, computer rooms, etc. for the intensive and systematic training of the students. The main research laboratories are Forest Ecology and Tree Laboratory, Forest Administration and Geographic Information System Laboratory, Forest Resource Remote Sensing Laboratory, Forest Soil Science Laboratory, Forestry Ecology and Physiology Laboratory, Silviculture and Forest Ecology Laboratory, Forest Policy and Economics Laboratory, Ecotourism and Community Forest Laboratory. Our alumni have a great performance professionally. The graduate may take national exams related to forestry technology and natural conservation. They may also work on landscape and ecological surveys or perform jobs related to community, nature conservation, or afforestation. They may as well pursue further higher studies at Pingtung or other related graduate schools in the country or abroad. The Graduate Institute of Bioresources. We are all aware that the geographic environment and climate of Taiwan have contributed to its biodiversity. Our institute was established in August 2004. It is the first interdisciplinary graduate institute for PhD from the university. Currently, our emphasis are not only on the protection of bioresources, but also on the stocking of resources, on the reuse and management. The motivations of these developments are in cooperation with the industrial policies of the government. For instance, the green energy industry, biotechnology industry, and sophisticated agriculture. We would like to cooperate with the industrial areas and the agricultural biotechnology park, permitting the master students and current workers further pursue their PhD degree. We also wish our prospective students would come from different professional areas, even from engineering of agricultural technology, to enrich the potential of our institute. In the Department of Plant Medicine, doctors for plants are trained. That is, to train students to manage the health of the plants, to diagnose the sick plants, and to cure the sick plants according to the cause of the sickness. The planning of our courses emphasizes on the practice of diagnosis and treatment of pests. We asked the students to spend 2 years of their 4-year program in the laboratory with a professor to work on a special project. And we demand field practice for every student. We also asked each of the students to participate in the diagnostic service of the Plant Medicine Center specialized for agricultural pests. Besides of the department, there is a Plant Medicine Center performing extension activities for the agricultural industry. We also have an insectarium for teaching research and for national and international exchange. There is also a greenhouse for fungi, a research center on tropical agriculture for Asia and the Pacifics, and a practice farm. The graduates from our department may work at the Academia Sinica, at the Bureau of Animal and Plant Health Inspection and Quarantine, of the Executive Yuan, or at agricultural associations or agriculture-related organizations in any township. They may also work for any organization related to environmental protection for medicine. We sincerely invite you to join us to accomplish the mission of protecting the agriculture, the food security, and to protect natural resources. Welcome to join us. Thank you. The Department of Wood Science and Design is unique in the country. It is the only design program centered on wood as source material. Besides of the traditional research topics, we are currently developing the applications and scientific knowledge on wood and wood fibers and their use in green products, such as furniture, woodenware, wood and bamboo crafts, paper craft, in green designs such as wooden architecture and all kinds of original ethnic designs, which are a fashion trend nowadays, and they broaden the ways of our department. In the last years, we have collaborated with industries of bamboo charcoal, activated carbon, bioproducts from sapindus plant. We have integrated the use of fibers, woodenware, wooden architecture, interior design, and explored original ethnic designs. We also took advantage of the best scientific equipments and teaching resources, encouraging the students to participate in several national and international professional competitions, such as competitions in design, furniture, and carpentry for openings. In these competitions, the students won great prizes several times, improving the school's good fame. This just demonstrated the training efficiency of our department. The Department of Animal Science was established in 1954. It was part of the veterinary science in the technical school era. It became later an independent department in 2008, conforming to the transformations of the industry and the economical development of the country. There are actually undergraduate and master programs. Our main objectives are to incubate pedigree herd, to develop techniques to improve the pedigrees, to develop highly efficient techniques for animal reproduction, to plan and manage modern animal farms, and to design and produce feeds for animals. These will lead to the production of safe animal products. We also aim to form specialists in experimental animals to reach the objective of forming technicians and management professionals for a sustainable farm. By combining the theory and the practice in the course planning, we wish to form professionals with modern commercial animal management abilities, techniques, with social morality and multicultural values, to open new opportunities for our animal industry. The geographic position of the university in the tropical area is an advantage. We wish to combine techniques of pedigree genetics, physiology of reproduction, feed nutrition, and animal product processing towards two main educational objectives. The first one is to form competitive professionals specialized in production and use of animals with commercial values, like the production and use of safe animal products, even to develop recreational farm animals. For this, we have designed a unique year-long practice system in the farm, offering complete farm installations and courses about the procedures so the students may learn from the practice, apply the theory in the practice, and learn by doing. In this year-long practice, we wish to form competitive graduates ready to be employed in the industry, bridging the gap between the university and the industry. The second educational objective is to extend our professional techniques in animal management and breeding to form professionals able to breed experimental animals for biomedical research, like functional food and medical products. Since 2009, our university cooperates with the Center of Disease Control of the Department of Health to plan and construct horse farms adjusted to the good manufacturing practice for the production of snake antivenom. Within a year, the production of snake antivenom will be starting to stably provide the anti-snake, anti-sera products in the country. To the young friends who love animals, welcome to join us.
一起加入我们吧！耶！
The Department of Aquaculture was established in 1978. There are currently undergraduate, master, and PhD programs, and some special courses for international students. Therefore, the educational system of the department is one of the most complete among technical universities in Taiwan. The teaching in the department has 4 axes: reproduction, feed and nutrition, protection and sustainable use of resources, production, dealing, and management of aquarium products. There are currently 11 professors. We emphasize on the practice training and amelioration of techniques, hoping that the students may be ready to take a job or start their own business right after their graduation.
欢迎加入水产养殖系的行列，耶！
The Department of Biological Science and Technology primarily research on the characteristics of living beings. We explore techniques to develop products with specific biological properties, products that are closely related to the human life. For this objective, we have designed courses from the chemical perspective. We use precise analytical machines to analyze the chemical compositions of the biomaterials. We use MMR to confirm its structure. Once we obtain the structure of the natural product, we may apply for a patent or apply for a certificate of functional food. We may test the bioactivities of the natural products once we have them purified. We have several cell lines including cancer cells, adipocytes, diabetic cells, We test the compounds on the cells and use different apparatus to observe the effect of these compounds on the cells to build some basic knowledge. We also use animal models, mainly fish models, mice models, and approximately for and macaque models to test the physiological bioactivity of these natural or synthetic products. These are researches leading to the development of new products for the market. For this purpose, we have joined the efforts of professors to create a Center for Natural Active Products Development and an Austronesian Medicine and Agricultural Research Center that, after years of effort, allowed us many patents and incomes from the transference of techniques. Our university is one of the 6 model universities in Taiwan, and our department is one of the reasons National Pingtung University of Science and Technology became a model university. Besides of the professional techniques development, we have joint degree with Indonesia and Thailand. Therefore, we also have many international students in each laboratory. Professors and students communicate in English, making this the optimal study environment. And beyond the basic techniques, language skills may be trained. We welcome you to join the department. The Department of Food Science was previously Agricultural Chemistry when Pingtung was a technical school. In year 1998, when the school became university, it was renamed Department of Food Science. The main buildings are the food processing plant with nearly 3,300 square meters and the building of food science with nearly 4,000 square meters, where several laboratories of food analysis, food biochemistry, food microbiology, and sensory evaluation of food are found. The food processing plant contains machinery for food processing and automatic installations facilitating the practice and training of the students. There are 19 professors in the department specializing in food microbiology, food analysis, food biochemistry, food engineering, and food processing. The teaching in our department combines theory and practice. We emphasize on the basic capacities and reinforce the professional knowledge and techniques to educate professionals in food science. For undergraduates, our accent is on the scientific theory and practice of the food science and on the language ability to elevate the effectiveness and quality of the students for them to be able to work immediately after graduation. For master students, we emphasize on forming their research, development, and management abilities. For PhD students, the formation is adapted to the development of the country and to the trend of the global technology. We strengthen their innovating and leading capacity to form highly qualified professionals in product research and development. Besides of teaching and research, the Department of Food Science also accomplishes with the extension and service to the society. We have established 3 centers: Center for Agriculture and Aquaculture Product Inspection and Certification, Food Science and Technology Service Center, and the Center for Natural Active Products Development. Welcome to the Department of Food Science. Welcome to In the old times, people will tell their children that if they don't study, they shall go farming. Now I'm telling you that before farming, you should study. The College of Agriculture is your best choice.